Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So in this situation, this one that is about sine s square everything to the power of 3. This one that is about cosine s square everything to the power of 3. So we need to transform this one into this one from here, and we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. And now we need to change this one into number 1. And now we just have only this one. So we have this one, number 3 minus number 1. We simplify, and we just have only sine s to the power of 4 plus number 2 sine s square cosine s square, and we have cosine s to the power of 4. So this one that is about identities, and we have sine s square plus cosine s square everything to the power of number 2. So we know that this is about number 1. So we can put ds, and this one that is about s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.